Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, January 11th, 2021. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things you're going to see in the Family Weekly. Scholars, remember, every day counts, so make sure that you attend school every day. This Thursday, from 4:30 to 6 o'clock, your parents need to come and pick up your report cards. Want to make sure that they get your report cards so they can see how great you are doing. Again, for all those scholars who are learning at home virtually, you will need to come to the school 4:30. Your parents will come from 4:30 to 6 o'clock on Thursday to pick up your report card. They'll drive through, we'll social distance and get them those report cards. Also, scholars, as I had talked about, having you guys come on campus to take some of those tests, I'm going to put that on hold right now. Health and safety first. So we're going to wait until things get a little better, and then we will begin that. Last but not least, don't forget that next Monday, the 18th, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So make sure you do not need to attend school. There's no school next Monday. Have a great day. It's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!